Alright, so the large 6-foot solar vacuum tubes have arrived and they're working extremely well. We've been doing some tests here. They have even heated the water in this tube to over 200 degrees, so I'm going to wipe the steam off the thermometer here. Not only over 200 degrees, but hotter than that, more energy, literally boiling the water, which, for those of you who know how much energy that takes, is considerably more energy to change the state from water into steam vapor than the energy required to only raise the energy from room temperature up to a little over 200 degrees. So this is soaking up an incredible amount of energy. So these tubes are fantastic. They have two walls, an outer and an inner tube. There's a vacuum, a nearly perfect vacuum pulled between them, and the inner wall, of course, has this dark absorbent layer and a bunch of highly reflective material on the inside, which doesn't let the heat out. You can do a ton of cool stuff with these things. One thing you can do right away, grab a tube or a couple tubes and build a really simple rack, and you can just put these in the sun for any experiments, but you can also put them in a room and they'll soak up the sunlight during the day and keep the room that much cooler, and then slowly release the energy overnight, keeping the room that much warmer. And as you can see, these soak up a ton of energy. So this is just one thing you can do. Sorry if the video is just sideways all over the place, but build a little wooden rack and have a ton of fun cooking things inside, or just boiling water for physics experiments for any kind of mad scientist or hobbyist stuff.